This is the Adreama C to Lightning cable. Adreama cables are MFI certified. Look for this logo on the packaging. The Adreama cable has no seam. Another brand can have a seam that can potentially damage your device. Adreama cable is much thicker. It means that there's more copper wires inside for ultra-fast sync and charge speed. As you can see, another brand can be a thinner cable. The Adreama cable has a strain relief design that can allow over 10,000 bends without breaking. Get yours today.